Welcome to the Bearded Catholic. Snow's coming quickly, so a couple chores before it gets here. Got the old plow truck. She's been running a few years, and what we like to do is make just this box of wood. So it's boiler wood, which I cut 23 inch or so, and we got 2 rows. I just make this box, fill it up, and then when I get to the end of the season, once I'm done snow plowing, I'll burn this box with all the contents here. But it's kind of enough weight to keep me from shifting around with the snow plow. So we've got these beams here we put in the back to keep the box from sliding around. Again, it provides just enough weight from slipping. So just an idea. People use sandbags, different things. And then in a pinch, if I need some emergency wood, it's drying in the truck, but usually we have plenty of wood. So we'll get this pushed in the truck and show you what it looks like at the end. Ready, Joes? Yep, slide them in. Okay, I'll bring the tractor up and we'll get the box in and we'll put these in at the end. There we go, we got those beams in the front and the back, keeps it from sliding out. Then also, if we're in the winter and we need to use the bed, you just take the forks, pull it out, and you got the bed ready for use. Just a simple idea. Alright, we'll see you in the next one.